Good evening. We have a new video, and in this video today we will learn how to create a 3D effect, like what is in this design through, and also that we will repeat the steps. What we explained in the last video is how to make a reflection of words in people, and how do we put shapes through letters, but this time through using the Canva application on the mobile phone. And at the end of the video, I will tell you about the site from which I brought people or this cartoon. Too many people asked me, where did you get them from? I will tell you in the end of video the website name. I will also leave you the links for it under in description box if you to download them. If you see my channel for the first time and would like to know more about the design and Canva, come down, subscribe the channel, do the bell, don't forget like and share the video. Let's start the video.
Welcome to my channel, Canva with Dina.
The first thing we will do is open the Canva application through the mobile phone. It appears with you in this way. You can choose the size of your design you want to work on it, whether it's a post, video, or presentation as you want. If we want a specific size for you to work on, where do you get it from? You will go to the plus below, it will open with you, and you will find the first thing from above, custom size, click on it. You find it stepping on it, opening the spaces you want. You write it, whether it's in pixels or in an inch or cm or mm. I chose the area of the Instagram post, which is 1080*1080, and start the design with you. The first thing we will go to text and start writing the word what we will work on while it is a school. After that, we will go to the fonts, and I choose this font from the long font inside Canva, and that's his name, Fergatorio. And then I will start correct the word that I am greater, resize it, and make a space between the letters. I also see where I put it in my design, whether it is in the middle or not, in any direction. That's how the word is ready for me. We will the first thing in the design, the 3D effect is added to it. How do we do it? By going down to the plus sign, and then choose the elements and go to search bar and write shadow and see all, and going down to choose. The shadow that I will use is its name. And add it to the design and set it. I will use it in length, not in width, and I will start to be smaller on the side and shorter size, longer than the letter, and put it a short distance away from the latter. Then I will make another copy of it, and I repeat it between the letters so that we can see the design in the end. It will look like it. How do you work? And that's how we did the first thing. It is the 3D effect. Now for the character design. Their first thought is that for a girl, she would like to remain a part of its body is inside the letter, and another part is outside letter. How do we do it? You will see it in the next steps. The second idea in the design is the school bus. I would like it to look out of influence, three-dimensional, and outside of the letter O. How do we do it? You will see it in the next steps. And we will complete the rest of the forms with the steps that we did in the previous two forms. We did two things: the design, that is the 3D effect, and we added the rest of the characters. We write the rest of the word BC2, which we will follow the same steps. I will also choose font and word, and adjust its area and everything. In order to reflect the image, we will need to upload the image without its background, which we explained in the last video. And I upload it again on the design. I start to adjust its size. After adjusting the space, I will go to Flip and do Flip Vertical and adjust the space below the main picture. Then I go to a position to make it to back. After that, reduce the percentage of impressions, buy it according to what I want. And that's how my design is finished. If you leave it on the white background as you want, we want to change the color. As I changed, I will go down in the colors. And I choose gradient colors. I chose this color, and then I come up again to adjust the colors. Can I change the colors of it as you see? Or I can choose, for example, its lighting from the side or from the text like that, what I chose. Now let's talk about the site from which I downloaded the cartoon characters. I use them in my design. The site called Creative Fabrica is one of the best sites that benefits anyone who designs anything they need. Fonts, need background images. Everything you will find on this site. It is very sweet. I subscribe to it for 7 days. I can download everything from it, just pay $1, and it allow me to download everything in it. So it is possible you register for the first time, pay $1, and you can use and download the things you need. You will find a group, very large fonts in very many shapes. I mean, it's not just this form. No, if you enter the atmosphere of any need in it, you will find a very large group of fonts, and you can buy one line. I mean, it is not a condition that you participate in the entire site. No, you can subscribe or buy. For example, I like this font, buy it. Well, that's it. As you are. As you want. A very large group, you can choose from them. We go to the graphic, very sweet in. If you want to make coloring books for children, you will find many pages, as well as coloring books for adults, teaching materials, logos, and backgrounds. You will find many things, 3D things, and special needs for printing on cloth. Also, it is useful on the site that there are completely free fonts that allow you to use them and download them for free. There is also free graphics in many forms. It is very important for subscribing to it. After the 7 days, it does not expire. And that's how we are. We have reached the end of the video. I hope the design steps were simple through Canva application on mobile. I will wait your questions and inquiries and comments and tell me that you tried it, even if there was any step in front of you that you stopped. Says if we can re-explain it again. And don't forget, of course, to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and watch the video. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching Canva with Dina.